In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reset a MacBook password. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is a little hard to demonstrate since I currently am screen recording, but what you're going to want to do is press and hold down on that power button until your MacBook turns completely off. Keep holding it until the screen is fully black, and after that, release that button, and then press and hold on that power button again, but this time keep holding it down until you see the option that says continue holding for startup options. As soon as you start seeing the startup options appear, that's when you're going to want to let go. After a moment, you're going to see your main drive along with an options button. Select that options button and press continue to enter in recovery mode, and your Mac will start loading, and eventually you'll be on a screen asking you to select a user that you know the password for. Since you're going to be resetting it, choose forgot all passwords, and the system will then guide you through recovery. If your Mac is linked to an Apple account, you'll just need to sign in with that account. If you don't remember the password again, just hit forgot password, and you'll usually be asked to enter in an email address or a phone number connected to your Apple account. Apple will then obviously send you a verification message so that you can reset your password. Whenever you do complete all these steps, you'll be able to create that new password and sign back into your MacBook. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.